Seeing the connection error message on Roblox on your phone? Here are a few ways to fix the issue. First, let's refresh your internet connection. Swipe down from the top of your screen to open the Quick Settings panel. Turn on airplane mode and wait a few seconds. Then turn airplane mode off again and reconnect to your Wi-Fi or mobile data. Once that's done, reopen Roblox and check if the connection error is gone. If the issue continues, the next thing you should do is check your date and time settings. Open the Settings app on your device. Search for Date and Time. Make sure Set Time Automatically and Set Time Zone Automatically are both turned on. Incorrect date and time settings can prevent Roblox from connecting properly to its servers. After enabling these options, close Settings and launch Roblox again. If you're still seeing the connection error, try clearing the Roblox cache. Open Settings and tap on Apps. Find and select Roblox from the list of installed apps. Tap on Storage or Storage and Cache. Now select Clear Cache. This removes temporary files that may be causing connection issues without deleting your account data. Once the cache has been cleared, open Roblox and see if the problem has been fixed. If Roblox is still not working, make sure you're not using a VPN. If a VPN is enabled on your device, disconnect it and then restart Roblox. VPN connections can sometimes interfere with Roblox servers and cause connection errors. You can also try restarting your phone. Simply hold the power button and tap Restart. After your phone powers back on, launch Roblox again. If none of these methods work, the issue may be on Roblox's side. Open a web browser and search for "Is Roblox down?" Check outage websites such as Down Detector to see if other players are reporting problems. If there is a large spike in reports, Roblox servers are likely experiencing issues. In that case, you'll need to wait until Roblox resolves the problem. And that's it. Those are some of the best ways to fix the Roblox connection error. If you found this guide helpful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video.